Hello everyone, I am so excited to share today's mandala with you. I printed out a 5.5 Mandala Brainstorm and y'all, I put it on a clipboard, I took it to my couch and I just sat there and I had a good drawing session. It was so relaxing and so fun. I loved every bit of it. I took it back to the art desk and I painted every bit of it gold. And then I started looking for colors. But first, let me show you how to draw this pattern on your rock. That's the hard part, and then easy sailing and lots of fun. Let's get to it. Alright, I'm having a little bit of trouble getting these all the same size and shape and symmetrical. So I have an idea. What if I take these big bold dots and dot them first? Then I can go back and use that dot as a guide for these, we'll call them question mark shapes. Let me show you what I mean. I'm trying to center this dot on every other line between the two question marks that are facing away from each other, if that makes sense. Alright, I was right. This is going to make an excellent guide for my new lines. I'm just going to kind of trace around the circle. See? Easy sailing from here. just noticed that I missed half of these marks. I'm not going to draw them first. I'm just going to paint them really fast. Feel free to draw them out correctly. I just forgot them. Oh, I'm going to catch up really fast. Alright, since I let this dry overnight, I can take a wet paper towel and get all these pencil marks off. Quick and easy. Well, while we wait for that water to dry now, let me show you how I came up with the colors. I pulled a bunch of bottles that I thought would be pretty with this gold. I wanted to use orange and blue together. Nope. When I pulled out the gray, I thought, okay, this might be really cool. And I don't think I've ever used gray before, you guys. So, guess what I'm using? That's right, gray. Oh, he can laugh all he wants, but I let this dry overnight, so I can just wipe that paint off and do it again. I think I love it just like it is. I'm gonna leave it, I'm gonna sign the back, let it dry, and give it a coat of resin. Let's see how it turns out. Oh, this turned out so good. I'm so happy with these super big rocks. You guys gotta go get one of those molds from Happy Dotting Company. It is so much fun. I'll leave all the links down in the description for everything I used today. Find what you need. Check out my website if you can't find it in the description. I'm gonna leave a video right here of another super pretty gold mandala. Give it a watch, and until next time, rock on.